What all can you insert in drawing? All right, under the insert menu, we've done you can get an image from just about anywhere and put in here. You can also add a text box that'll let you type with letters. Shapes we've kind of looked at, but I wanted to point out on the shapes you also have math teachers, you have all the equations. So you can use the equations. Drawing is a great way to have the kids kind of go through and they write the equations and they write the math problems. You can insert tables, of course, with columns and rows, different types of charts you can put in, a diagram, and this is where when you choose diagram, it's going to pop up over here with tons of different diagrams. We'll look at those in just a second. And you can also do word art, and then you can just do the basic lines. So if we come in here to all the different diagrams that are showing, I'm going to click on one called grid just for an example. Notice when I click on these are all different colors. So if you really have a theme color, you could change all of those to purple, and they would all be purple. And then you notice just the original one is a level 3, but what if I want them to have 4? That's just going ahead and adding what the columns or the rows that you want them to have in there. So if I choose this one and I drag it over, basically I can double click and it will appear there. One thing I want to show you on basically on drawing is down here at the bottom right, you can change the size of your sheet of paper basically. And so if I wanted to move this drawing up here and I wanted my paper or my grid to fit exactly with this, see how I can move each line individually? I can click and drag them wherever I'd like them to be, and then I can just move things around. I can also come up and basically tell it then to move the size of my grid. So that's a neat thing that you want to do here. You can rearrange and then you can make things be exactly the size that you want. So you see all the different options there. I'm going to try to squeeze all these over here like we had them. And then when I get them over there, I'm going to show you how you could make the grid fit exactly with the size of the paper. All right. And then, of course, in using any type of grid, as you double click in here, then the kids could change what it was. So that's a neat option. Just know under grid, there's all different kinds. And these would be great to share this app and let all the students participate and everyone complete one of them. So it's a great way to present and get some things done in drawing as a collaborative effort.